My name is Irina Mueller, and I'm a scientific program manager at the Allen Institute for Cell Science. I see my role as supporting the teams so they can focus really on what they're doing best, which is the science. We're a very interdisciplinary team. So we have people with biology backgrounds, software engineers, we have medical illustrators, people that do modeling, animations, and physicists. And so we all have to learn to communicate with each other and speak the same language, even though we come from different disciplines. I really like the program management job. I found my little niche that makes me happy. I really like supporting people. I always say that our teams are kind of like little puzzles, and everyone brings their own expertise to what we're doing in our projects, and it only works because everyone is this puzzle piece with like a unique knowledge and skill, and by putting those puzzle pieces together, that makes the whole thing work.